Assalamu alaikum students. Our next lecture is about the blind beggar woman. It is on page 109. This is a very short lesson. It is about the experiences of some boys who used to walk to the local mosque for their prayers and for their Quranic lessons. On their way, they passes a blind woman, rather a blind beggar woman, and a little girl who guides her. We round the corner and fear all but suffocates us. An intense streak of fear. Suffocate means to choke. Recumbent means to lie. Under the arch of a portico means porch, the blind woman takes her siesta. Siesta means rest. Wrinkles line her face and rags of every color are wrapped around her body. Her sightless eyes radiate means shine, a feral inhumanity. Feral means wild. A gnawed right. Gnawed means twisted. Gnawed right hand, palm upward, lies on the cement floor, while the other rests permanently, we believe, on the shoulder of a little girl. The girl's hair like a thicket stare. Stare means moves, and her eyes watch us vacantly means emptily. When we enter her field of vision, set alongside the air of limitless danger that attends old women, the girl appears helpless as the sparrow that fell out of its nest last spring. All day long the girl guides the old woman through the streets begging. We drag our shadows toward the mosque, eyes downturned, a kite wails. Wails means lament loudly overhead. Well, this lesson is about the blind beggar woman who is lying in the porch of a building. She is old, her face is wrinkled, and she has wrapped herself with the rags of various colors. Her palm is lying upward in a gesture of begging on the cement floor, while her other hand is on the shoulder of the little girl. For the whole day, the girl guides the old woman through the streets for begging. Now turn the page. Here we have questions. You have to write down in your copies. We have to do all 5 questions. Number 1. Where is the blind woman? A blind woman is lying in the porch of a building. Second question. What does she look like? She is older. Her face is wrinkled. She has wrapped herself with the rags of various colors. Why is her palm lying upward? Her palm is lying upward in a gesture of begging. This is the answer of third question. Now fourth one. Why is the old woman's hand on the little girl's shoulder? The answer is the old woman is blind. The little girl guides her. That's why she keeps her hand on the little girl's shoulder. Question number 5. What sound can be heard? The sound of kite wailing overhead can be heard. Thank you.